Welcome to All About Mars Space. In this episode of All About Mars Space, Perseverance stumbles upon a discovery so remarkable, it may represent the strongest clue yet of ancient life on Mars. As it journeys across the alien terrain, the rover encounters something baffling: fresh track marks carved into Martian rocks. But here's the mystery: they weren't made by its own wheels. These clean, deliberate lines raise one stunning question. But the surprises don't stop there. Nearby, Perseverance spots a strange rock, one bearing a circular white patch that seems completely out of place, almost lesion-like in its appearance. This bizarre feature adds a new layer of intrigue to the Martian mystery unfolding before us. Our story takes us to the newly explored region known as Bright Angel, an ancient riverbed where water once flowed billions of years ago. In this panoramic landscape, sand dunes have gathered in the center of the channel, shaped by relentless Martian winds. Between these dunes lie light-colored bedrocks, first spotted from space, and the very reason this mission was directed here. Perseverance carefully approaches these brittle rocks. A recent abrasion attempt reveals how fragile they are. Chunks break off during contact. Because of this, the mission team at NASA decides it's too risky to use the rover's drill. They've encountered similar issues with fragile rocks before. Instead, Perseverance uses its SuperCam laser to analyze the composition. In high-resolution images, we can spot the tiny laser dot marks, evidence of a non-invasive scan in action. These flaky rocks are part of a high-quality mosaic, unveiling their delicate structure in detail. Some rocks reveal odd circular markings, and as Perseverance looks toward the crater's rim, soon to be its next destination, it captures images that may hold answers to Mars's watery past. If those upper rocks show no trace of water, it strengthens the theory that an ancient river once flowed in the Bright Angel Valley below. Downstream, the rover captures a stunning geological landscape, full of clues. And on closer inspection, it finds parallel lines etched across the rocks. Scientists believe these may reveal how layers formed over time. High-quality mosaics showcase these complex structures in crisp detail, adding more questions to the puzzle. Then, Perseverance encounters something extraordinary: a rock dubbed Chayava Falls. This standout formation catches attention immediately. Using the Watson camera, the rover zooms in to examine the rock's unique textures. Just beneath it, a displaced rock is visible, likely nudged by one of the rover's wheels. In a series of focused shots, Perseverance adjusts its instruments to get the perfect visual of the rock's surface. The result? A crisscross of mineral veins, similar to beef veins seen on Earth. Even more surprising, greenish olivine crystals, a volcanic mineral, glisten beneath the surface. This hints at Mars's fiery geological past. But the real mystery lies in small, white-colored patches with dark rims, scattered across the surface like spots on a leopard. Nicknamed leopard spots, these strange patches measure about 1 millimeter in size. On Earth, similar markings form through chemical reactions involving hematite, the very mineral that gives Mars its reddish hue. And here's the astonishing part: such reactions on Earth can provide energy for microbial life. Perseverance waits until nightfall. Using its own lights, it captures the leopard spots in complete darkness. The contrast allows the spots to pop with clarity. Each spot is outlined with a thin, dark ring, bearing an uncanny resemblance to actual leopard skin. Could these patterns be evidence of ancient Martian life? While scientists aren't jumping to conclusions, this possibility is now on the table. These chemical conditions, hematite reactions, olivine crystals, calcium sulfate veins, all appearing in one place, form a cocktail of geological features that, on Earth, would indicate a hospitable environment for microbes. The The rover shifts its focus to a neighboring rock, recently broken by its own wheel. The crushed interior exposes untouched Martian material, a rare opportunity to study what lies beneath the planet's harsh surface. Close-up images confirm more olivine crystals within the broken fragments. Olivine has been found across Jezero crater before, but here it appears in a perfect context, interwoven with water-related minerals and mysterious formations. NASA commands an abrasion operation. Afterward, they inspect the tool for damage. Compared with older images from the early mission, the bit appears slightly dusty but still functional. Some dark patches suggest minor wear, but it's likely nothing serious. The mission goes on. With the abrasion site exposed, the rover captures it again, this time under UV light. A green hue emerges, another sign of olivine, and perhaps more hidden chemistry waiting to be unlocked. But there's a bigger question. How did volcanic minerals arrive here? Was there once an ancient Martian volcano? Or did a prehistoric river carry them from distant lands? Perseverance pans out to show the broader area. Cheyava Falls still glows under its camera, its leopard spots clearly visible. Broken rocks from earlier drive-overs now offer samples for deeper study. The rover once again returns to Cheyava Falls, ready to collect a core sample. But just before that, it uncovers another mystery. A rock ahead shows fresh white specks, resembling scratches from wheels. But here's the kicker. The rover hasn't been here before. So where did these marks come from? The rock itself bears a circular lesion, strangely organic in appearance. Using Watson, Perseverance takes a series of close-up shots. This lesion, while likely natural, seems unlike anything seen before. Even more peculiar are the white specks protruding from the rock, believed to be made of silica, a mineral often associated with water. Some silica points lie very close together, an excellent setup for detailed chemical analysis. Perseverance returns one final time to Cheyava Falls. This rock, bearing leopard spots, olivine crystals, and now potential silica, all in one place, represents a scientific jackpot. A carefully selected abrasion site ensures the visible spots remain undisturbed. The operation is a success. In the next mission phase, Perseverance will attempt to drill into Cheyava Falls, retrieving a sample that might help answer the ultimate question: was Mars ever home to life? If you enjoyed this journey through Mars, don't forget to subscribe to All About Mars Space. Join our community, support the mission, and help us keep uncovering the secrets of the Red Planet. For early access, exclusive updates, and your name in the credits, become a channel member or patron today. The next episode is packed with more discoveries. Click below to continue your Martian adventure.